Hey guys, I'm Tanya. So I actually had a bunch of you guys message me on Instagram and were like, hey, I've heard about this new subscription box. Can you give it a try? So I was like, of course, because I want to do whatever makes you guys happy. And I was honestly really surprised. Like, I'm like, okay, that you guys asked me to review this box because I don't normally review anything like this on my channel. But this is a subscription box from a company called From Korea with Love. And it's a socks subscription box. So I'm excited to see what's in here because honestly, fun socks are the best socks. Like, life is too short to wear boring socks. That is my motto. I'm going to get tattooed right across here. Life is too short for boring socks. The placement may not work out because that's really long. But here is what the box looks like. It came in a little like plastic bag that covered the box. I honestly don't remember pricing or anything like that. I'm just excited to see what kind of socks we got. So I love so many things right now. I love that everything is like hand wrapped. It looks like we got some twine. Like, this is so freaking adorable. And then I love how it's like alternating like blue, pink, blue. So I'm really excited to see what's in here because a lot of you guys were like, hey, I think you would like this. So trust your opinion. So when I had you guys reach out to me, I actually reached out to From Korea with Love and asked if they wanted to work together. And they were kind enough to send me this box for free to review. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. So look at the cute little ducky. Honestly, I get like major Easter vibes, but I love that the like duck is on both sides. I think that is so freaking cute. These are so precious. And I love ankle socks. Ankle socks are the best. Okay, so let's see what's in this one. This looks really cute. Honestly, pink is amazing. I've got my handy dandy scissors to cut out the twine. Ooh. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, honestly, I was like, I didn't see the ears and I was like, it's a seal because doesn't it look like a seal? And I was like, why does this seal have dog brains? Okay, but hey, guess what? Cat socks. Look, these are so cute. I honestly love the ears so much. And they all say Aries for woman, so that's cool. But these socks are so cute. The ear detailing, obsessed with. Okay, and I'm really sad that there's one more pair left. Like, honestly, I can unbox another 8 of these. These are so freaking cute. Okay, I'm gonna tear open the tissue paper on this one. Ooh, these are like a fun yellow. Oh, and then we got a sleeping cat. Okay, do these have ears on it? Because I'm gonna rip off the tag. These have ears on too. Okay, is it a bunny? Because the ears are different. What do you guys think? Are you team cat, team bunny? I don't know, but I really love the ears here. Oh, does the ducky have something? Because there's a little bit of, like, do you see this material right here? I'm not sure if that, or like if they're ears or something. So here are the 3 pairs of socks that I received in my Sox box. I think these are so cute. Thank you to everyone who suggested me to like work with this company because this brought a little bit of light into my day. It's raining out, it's cold, it's miserable, and these socks are so cute. I can't wait to get done finished filming and wear these around the house. Like, these are my favorite. These are so cute, but I love the color in these. So what did you guys think of this box? Would you like to see another unboxing of my channel of Sox Box? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.